अस्सलामु अलैकुम क्लास 9th बायोलॉजी के प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स। बॉटनी स्टडी हब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका दिल से खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें। आज हम चैप्टर 2 बायोडाइवर्सिटी के टॉपिक को डिटेल से समझेंगे। ये टॉपिक आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। खास तौर पे पंजाब बोर्ड के एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जरूर आते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहली इमेज, Chapter 2 Biodiversity Learning Outcomes. After studying this chapter, students will be able to define biodiversity and classification, describe advantages of classification, list the taxonomic ranks, discuss history of classification schemes, list the 3 distinct domains, describe complications of classifying viruses, and outline the binomial nomenclature system. Our planet is home to a vast variety of organisms, from tiny insects to towering trees. This variety is essential for the health and balance of our world. It provides us with food, medicine, and clean air. 2.1 Biodiversity. Biodiversity means the variety of organisms in a particular area. Biodiversity of an area is measured by considering the number of different kinds of organisms and the variation within each kind. Biologists have discovered and classified almost 2 million kinds of organisms. However, they estimate that the total kinds of organisms on Earth is much greater. Biodiversity is not evenly spread out. It depends on factors like climate, altitude, and soil type. Tropical regions have more biodiversity than polar regions. Examples of biodiversity: plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms. Importance of biodiversity. 1. Ecosystem stability. Biodiversity helps to maintain the balance of ecosystems. It plays an important role in biogeochemical cycles, such as carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. 2. Climate regulation. Plants and algae absorb carbon dioxide. It helps to keep the climate balanced. 3. Natural resources. Biodiversity provides a vast array of resources, from food and medicine to building materials and fuel. 4. Economic benefits. Biodiversity supports different industries: agriculture, tourism, and pharmaceuticals. International Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 22 May to promote the protection of biodiversity. Key points. Biodiversity is the variety of life forms in a particular area. It is measured by the number of different kinds of organisms and the variation within each kind. Biologists have discovered about 2 million kinds, but the actual number is much greater. Biodiversity is influenced by climate, altitude, and soil type. Tropical regions have more biodiversity than polar regions. Summary. Biodiversity is the foundation of life on Earth. It provides essential services, supports ecosystems, and contributes to human well-being. Protecting biodiversity is protecting our future. Urdu. Biodiversity किसी एरिया में organisms की variety है. Tropical regions में ज़्यादा होती है. ये ecosystem stability, climate regulation, natural resources और economic benefits देती है. दूसरी इमेज, 2.2 classification. What is classification? Biologists have identified about 2 million kinds of organisms. Out of these, 0.5 million are plants and 1.5 million are animals. It is only a small percentage of the total kinds living on Earth. Every year, biologists discover thousands of new kinds of organisms. Classification is the process in which organisms are divided into groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and differences found in them. Aims and principles of classification: to determine similarities and differences among organisms so that they can be studied easily, to find the evolutionary relationships among organisms. Advantages of classification: allows biologists to group similar organisms together, making it easier to identify and understand their characteristics, relationships in evolutionary history, provides a framework for studying and comparing different species, explains the interrelationship amongst various organisms, helps in the identification of new species, provides a common language for biologists around the world. Summary. Classification helps us organize the huge diversity of life on Earth. It makes the study of organisms easier, helps in discovering new species, understanding evolution, and supports conservation and management of biodiversity. Urdu. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑर्गेनिजम्स को सिमिलैरिटीज और डिफरेंसेस की बेसिस पर ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करती है. इससे स्टडी इजी होती है और एवोल्यूशनरी रिलेशनशिप समझ आते हैं. तीसरी इमेज, 2.3 टैक्सोनॉमिक रैंक्स. What are taxonomic ranks? The groups into which organisms are classified are known as taxonomic ranks or taxa. The Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus devised the Linnaean system of taxonomic ranks in 1735. He suggested 7 taxonomic ranks: kingdom, phylum division, class, order, family, genus, and species. In 1977, the rank of domain was added. The 7 taxonomic ranks, now 8 with domain. 1. Domain, highest rank, divides all life into 3 domains: archaea, bacteria, eukarya. 2. Kingdom. 3. Phylum or division. 4. Class. 5. Order. 6. Family. 7. Genus. 8. Species. Lowest rank, a group of similar organisms that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Examples: fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster; human, Homo sapiens; P. Pisum sativum, all under domain eukarya. Remember, domain greater than kingdom, greater than phylum, greater than class, greater than order, greater than family, greater than genus, greater than species, from higher to lower rank. Summary: taxonomic ranks help scientists to organize the vast diversity of life on Earth in a systematic way. This makes it easier to study, identify, and understand relationships among organisms. Urdu: taxonomic ranks डोमेन से स्पीशीज तक होते हैं. कार्ल लिनेयस ने सिस्टम बनाया. डोमेन सबसे हायर, स्पीशीज सबसे लोअर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ बॉटनी स्टडी हब, इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से रिवाइज करें. बायोडाइवर्सिटी की डेफिनेशन, इंपॉर्टेंस, क्लासिफिकेशन के एडवांटेजेस और टैक्सोनॉमिक रैंक्स याद करें. पंजाब बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. स्टडी स्मार्ट, स्कोर हाई. Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching.